Welcome to X1T Gaming, and together we're going to revolutionize the gaming industry. So today we're going to work on some coding aspects. I didn't have time today to learn anything about Blender because I had a longer day at work. So tomorrow we should probably be doing that. So the stuff that I want to focus on today is it's just going to be um, some coding. So we're going to try to get one object to spin by itself when we click. Then we're going to try to get another object to move as we click it. And yeah, so we'll probably just create, I could probably delete all of these because we don't need them right now. We'll delete and then delete this one. And we're going to take this script off so we don't accidentally start doing random balls just out of nowhere. So what we're trying to do, we're going to create two objects. Just going to make some cubes, cylinder, stuff like that. We'll go -2. Oh no. We'll go one for here. This one we want to be like -2 for that. This one could be 0. And then this one will do like what, 10? We'll do minus 10. We'll increase it on the Z axis. So the whole point is we want this object right here to rotate this way. So it looks like this is the X axis that we want to rotate on when we click. So we're going to start on that one. What we're going to name this script? We want to name this script. So this is going to be the mechanism that I'm going to use, that I'm going to hit the ball. So we want to smack the ball as it goes up. And what we want to do is we want to have the other one on this side to rotate this way. So we'll turn this one, and as we turn it, it's going to activate this. Eventually, we want to be able to do it so that the more we turn it, the faster this one will spin. And the less we turn it, the less it will spin. So then this way, it won't. We want it to hit the ball, the pachinko ball, right over here, or we'll look at the game side. So we want it to hit the pachinko ball probably about here, so the pachinko ball can go all the way up and then bounce around. So we want to be able to control a dial that's on this side, so that when we control this, it's going to hit the ball up, and then we could set it go like here, and then it'll fall, or it can hit and go this way. So first, we're just going to try to get the spinning. So we're going to be hit mechanism, or hit mechanics, hit mechanics is what we'll call this. We'll open it up. So it's just going to be a simple if statement where if we click on the left mouse button, then it's going to rotate. Or we could probably do something else. So it's going to be in the update, put if was it input if input dot key down, any key down? No, we don't want any key down. Get key down, and we want to make it, what kind of code do we want? Let's do the up arrow. Do we have an up arrow? They got all those letters. We want, oh man, Where's the up arrow? Keypad, no, minus equals, no, up arrow, here we go. Boom. So, if the key up arrow is pushed, then we want to do this statement. Why is it doing that? Oh, we don't need this. That's why. That's like what's going on. Because we got these brackets right here for the thing. So now we want to transform dot rotate how does this code go again for rotation? So we're going to look at this sheet mechanics. Transform dot rotate, capital R, and then we're going to have the 3 different rotations. Okay. So we need capital R. Transform dot rotate, and it's going to be a vector 3 and wait, is that right? Okay. Vector 3 dot, okay, that's what we need. Okay, vector 3 dot, I think I want up. Times time dot delta time, and then we want a speed. We'll do a speed of, let's say, 10 for now, or maybe we'll just do a public float. Public float, and we're going to call this speed, and it's going to, or we'll just make it like that. It's a public float, and then change this to speed. Boom. So let's make sure that that's rotating the right way. Okay, so we press play. We gotta, first of all, we got to, so this is going to be hit mechanics. Rename hit mechanics. Gotta put this on here, and then we are going to go back to here and save our script. Why is it not showing up? Public float is speed. Speed equals 5. Okay, so if I get this hit mechanics, here we go. Speed equals 5. Let's do 10 for now. Now let's press play. So we go on our up. It's not working. It's not working. What if I go up to 100? Is it rotating? No. Okay. Maybe we'll change, instead of up arrow, we'll just say dot space. Let's just do the space bar for now. And we'll save this. Go back here. Press play. Press the space bar. It's not rotating. Okay. Let's see. Transform dot rotate. Transform dot rotate. Okay, you know what? Let's just try to get this rotation speed to just rotate to begin with, without us pressing anything. Okay, so now it's rotating. But it's rotating the wrong way. Let's go rotate vector left. Oh wait, no, we want to do this one left. Okay, so left looks like what we want. No, we want right. We want it to go the other way. We want right. So we want it to be right. Okay. Save, and then it goes like this. We're gonna have to increase the speed. Okay, we're gonna probably want the speed to be 100. No, probably more than that too. Let's see if we do 1000. Okay, 500. Okay, so that's pretty much good for now. We'll leave it at 500. I need to get this input key stuff. So let's go and make a new a public void, and let's call it rotate HM. So rotate HM, hit mechanic. Going to do this, going to do this, and then we're going to just take all of this out, put it in here. We want to take all of this out, change this one to right. Okay, and now let's go back to here, see if input get mouse button down. Okay, I don't have any other ones. Okay. Maybe we just want to get key. Right? No. Let's just do A. A. Let's see if that works. It's not working. How come? If input get key Maybe it's get key code. Input dot get. Oh, maybe it's get button down. Okay, wait. Returns true during the frame if the user presses down the virtual button. No, it's not a button down. Get key. Returns true while the user holds down the key. Okay. So let's go get key. And then we want to go key code. Key code dot. Let's return. Down arrow. I'm missing something here. Oh, it doesn't make sense. Well, I'm going to probably have to open up one of my other projects. Which project do we want to look at? Car learning. Okay, so we want to get a key code down just so that we can know that the if statement is working. And then when we know that the if statement is working, then we could do another one. I don't want to do... Oh, excuse me. I don't want to do a mouse click because then it will spin when we were trying to get the thing to rotate while we're clicking the mouse. So oh, I need to put this in the update message. Rotate HM. Is that it? Please be that simple. Please be that simple. Okay, no, it made it worse. What? It's expected class. Okay, let's go our learning. Let's go follow player control. I like these cheat sheets. They help a lot for me in particular. We're probably going to do this RPM thing for the turning. Input, get axis, vertical, get component, rigid body. Oh, I don't have this. Interesting. It's saying that there's an error. Error expected. Oh, shoot. There we go. Okay, so we got that working. Okay, and so we just need to be able to adjust different speeds for that later. Um, yeah, let's clear this code up. There we go. Looks nicer. So we got rotate HM, hit mechanic. So it's going to rotate at this. How do we do different speeds? I think part of the different speeds that we're going to need to learn is this 3D car right here, where I think we're going to probably have to do like a math F. Yeah, we'll probably have to do a math F. Do a relative force. Do we need a force? Add relative force. We might not need to. We might just get away with the transform rotate. But now the other one, we want to transform rotate it on this side. So I think that one is not going to be down, up, left, or right. It'll be forward. I think we're going to want to create a new script. And we're going to call this one updating forward. So let's make a new object, or let's just duplicate this one. Duplicate, make it the same lengths, and then we'll just change the position to 10, and we want it to rotate the other way. We'll take off this component, and we want to rename this to dial, or yeah, speed dial. Speed dial, and then we need to create a new script. And we want to call this probably speed dial as well. Speed dial. Okay, so we want to get it rotating on its axis first. And then we want to try to, then we want to try to do it where we click and then interact with the object. So we might need to, yeah, we have to do a mouse position thing. Okay, so we want to transform.rotate, transform.rotate vector3 dot forward times delta time dot delta time. We want to have an actual speed. Maybe we want a speed for now just so that we know the rotation is going to be good. We want to go times 100. Okay, so I want to make sure that forward is what we want. Might have to put this back on here first. Now let's try. No, we don't want forward. We want backward. We actually, if I'm doing the dial knob, I don't need to have like a special thing because I need to be able to turn it back too. So we'll go to the Pachinko. Let's look at the temporary click. So we have this, the raycast, but we don't want that. Let's see our other projects. Let's close this one. Other projects. We want the one that had the mouse to position. I think that might have been prototype 5. they had like that mouse position thing. So we want to probably do like mouse position and then transform rotate. We could do forward as well, because at least it knows what axis that we're trying to get it to spin on. We'll look at the code that we have here, and then we'll probably call it a good night. Long day at work makes you tired. But we did get a little bit done, which is a good idea. You know what? I might actually call it quits for now. Just, yeah, had a long day at work. So, but the thing is, we got a little bit done, right? A little bit, a little bit is better than nothing, and it's just these little increments. It's going to be adding on all day, all the time, and they'll be eventually they'll become big things. Um, it's just that if you don't even do the little stuff, then right, what's the chance? So I'm looking at this one. Yeah, this is the one that has the oh man. This is what I hate about like coding is that once I think that I could do something, I kind of want to get it done before I could like forget about it. Yeah. No, I'll just yeah, I won't do anything. I'm just looking at some of the stuff right now. Yeah, no. It's they do have the on mouse down. You have the trigger and you have where is it? Yeah, they have it somewhere. Okay. Okay. No, that's it. I gotta call quits. I'm getting too tired. I can't think straight. Yeah. But we got a little bit, and then tomorrow I got the day off, so hopefully I could get a lot done on Blender and start to actually learn how to do Blender. Maybe I could find a course that's free for it, which will be great, kind of like what I got for Unity, and then work on actually trying to create the Pachinko object and try to make it look half decent. Yes, and then I could upgrade it into Unity. Okay, you guys have a good night, good morning, or good evening, wherever you are, and whatever time you're watching this. And we'll catch you in the next video. I do live every day at 9 p.m.